Welcome back to Gigi's Garden. So, good afternoon. Welcome back. Um, I'm doing an experiment. Oh, it is rooting. Both of them. So I have two sweet potatoes. This one looks like it's molding, but it is trying to root. This one, my other two sweet potatoes, this one looks like it's rooting too a little bit. My other two sweet potatoes, though, however, have long roots on them. They've all been in water same time, same amount of time. They are all organic. These two just are being special. So I've had this mound of dirt here for, not my new one, but my second one, the brown one over there, for over a year. So I seen the guy do it. I seen the guy take and just plant the sweet potatoes just like this, lay them sideways in the dirt, and just watch them grow. Okay, so I'm sorry about the angle. This is what I'm gonna do with these two. Now the other two have really long roots, so I'm not gonna do this experiment with those, but I will do it with these two, and it's okay because I can go and buy some more starts. My problem with this bed, with this mound of dirt, is that it has black ants in it, and grubbies. I think something bit me, and now I guess earwigs too. Hey, hi, Mr. Earwig. We're gonna see, and some other little scurry type guy here. But it's real sandy. It's real loamy. It's very, very soft. You see that? It's very soft. So it does have some compost in it. It was covered, just mounded up with weeds. So I know stuff grows in this. I got stuff growing in it now. This is the same stuff I had last year. But since I didn't use it all last year, I wanted to plant sweet potatoes on it last year, but I didn't. I put them in my bed instead. I will not make that mistake again. But unless I can trellis them all the way up. I tried last year. I did pretty good, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Oh, here's another big old fat grub. Let's see. I've been eating them over the fence to the chickens. The size of these things. Oh, there's a half of one there. I must have cut him in half when I was doing that. I'm going to eat them over the fence. Here he comes. Look, they waiting. So, since I'm talking about it, there's a few problems with that mound of dirt. Of course, these grubbies, I think they're going to be, June bugs. I think that's what they are. But, I don't know. We'll see in June, won't we? But, and not only that, the black ants. So, these is kind of to the sacrificial. I just want to see if it will work. I mean, the guy did it. He might not have had as many problems in his dirt as I have, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna do it anyway, just to see. And if anything, it will at least bring worms, because I'm digging in here, and maybe it'll bring worms in here. So since I can't do it with one hand, hang on. Now the guy just laid them sideways. I laid them sideways about 6-7 inches apart. I don't, either way, they were rotting in the kitchen anyway. But I mean, it looked like they were trying to get some roots, but everybody else was way ahead of them. So we're just gonna see and keep disrupting the ants, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So I just buried those in there and we'll see how it goes. We'll check in on it in a couple of days to see if they start sprouting like everything else. All right. Well, let me go put this up. Come on, Kesha. And looking at my sunflowers again. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I need to mound up my potatoes some more. I'm thinking about trying to mound them I'm thinking about trying to bend the one sideways to mount it up, but because it's so tall, I don't know how to do it. This one, this one, I'm almost covered that one all together. I'm trying to mount up the big one, so you know how that's gonna go. Who knows? All right, well, we'll see. Because these are the newest potatoes that I just planted in here. So we'll see how they go. You know, I'll mound them up a little bit more. Oh, no! Oh, drop my shovel. Okay. It didn't break anything. Didn't miss. So, we'll figure it out. All right. That was my little update. That's going to be my little... Hi, Mr. Woody Woodpecker. So that'll be my little experiment to see how that works out. And if I can get them to grow in that bed, in that mound, I will plant the rest of my sweet potato slips in that mound there. So that way they can just grow up the mound. I don't know what that is, kind of weevil looking bug on my... I'm trying to make sure that these grapevines don't get aphids, because I don't want aphids on them. Last year they got attacked really good by the Japanese beetles. I didn't have them the year before. Last year I had them bad. So we're going to see if we can, watch them. I was killing Japanese beetles like crazy last year on my elderberries and everything. So look at this one. Elderberries flowering. There are little flowers in there. I'm just excited. Little tiny baby flowers inside there. Oh, you can't see them. They all the way down there. That's okay. You'll see them in a couple weeks when they're big as my hand and then bigger than my face. That's going to be a big berry because I got a big face. So we'll just see how it goes. All right, guys. Remember, be kind. It's free. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me at Gigi's Garden.